How to set back tap or double tap to open the front camera on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. In here, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Back Tap. After that, you can choose double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. In here, scroll down and then select front camera. Now if you go to the back of the phone and you double tap like that will open up the front camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.